Hi, I'm Bruce from Rosie on the House, and today we're going to be talking about how to seal the cracks and gaps around your home to prevent pests from entering. Keep wood and rock piles away from your home and trim vegetation at least 12 inches away from your house. Identify the areas around your home where pests may be entering. Common areas include around windows and doors, gaps between doors and door jambs, and through wall penetrations. To seal those gaps, select an exterior grade caulking. For today's demo, I've selected a clear hybrid sealant that is paintable within 30 minutes. Prep the caulk tube by cutting off the tip, breaking the seal, and inserting into your caulk gun. Now go ahead and seal all of those cracks and gaps that you identified around windows and doors. Apply the caulking as smoothly as you can. Don't worry too much about it though. You can use your finger to wipe down that bead of caulk for a smooth finish. Another area to pay attention to, especially in Arizona, is the weep screed at the bottom of your stucco wall. When sealing the weep screed, please do not seal these little holes. They are the ventilation for your wall, and unless you like your wall to retain water, leave those guys open. Go ahead and seal the gap between the weep screed and your concrete foundation stem wall, and if you're lucky, you may even get a little help along the way. Now you can use expanding foam to fill larger gaps like around these phone line penetrations. Once applied, simply let it dry, cut off the excess, being careful not to cut those important lines. And last but certainly not least is taking care of those gaps around doors. What we've got here is a door corner seal. It can be picked up in any hardware store. Clean the door area that is going to be applied and stick it to the door in the areas where the gap is, pressing down firmly. Now go ahead, test that area, see if you can see any light through it anymore. We hope our video was helpful on showing you how to seal the cracks and gaps around your home to prevent pest entry. Don't forget to go to rosieonthehouse.com/app to log your task on your home maintenance calendar and reschedule the task for a couple of years down the road. For more homeowner information and do-it-yourself tips, please go to rosieonthehouse.com. Join us at 9:32 a.m. on Saturdays in our open line hour of our 4-hour broadcast where we cover our weekly maintenance how-tos and tips.